We'll guide you through how to make a weaponsmith villager in Minecraft. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. A weaponsmith villager is going to go and unlock more traits. So first of all, find yourself a village or a villager, and then what you need to do is go and create a job block for a weaponsmith. So for that, you're going to need one log, I'm just using oak, and then 3 pieces of cobblestone. What you need to do is go and put the cobblestone into a furnace like so and go and wait. And place your oak log into a crafting table and get oak planks. Place 2 of those planks into a crafting table to get sticks and wait on the... With that stone, you then need to come into a crafting table and place it in a row and you'll get stone slabs. Place 1 in the middle slot at the top. Either side of the stone slab, place 2 sticks, and below the sticks, place planks. That will give you a grindstone. Now all you need to do is place this near an unemployed villager. For example, here one is. I'm going to go and place it down. And the villager comes up to it, green particles appear, we can right click on it, and then now a weaponsmith, and we can see the traits. If you found this useful, then leave a like.